In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z7 Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. If you want to change your device's name, so also your Bluetooth name, all you need to do is go into settings and scroll all the way down right away. No tricks and just a few simple steps. Hit About Phone at the bottom and click Rename. Now it's time to type in whatever you want to, in my case Sunny, and save your changes by tapping on Done. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my Samsung has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!